Hey guys, it's Aubrey.
And Reagan.
Reagan. Okay, so, this is Reagan.
Hi.
You guys have seen her before. We all know that.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, she's camping
For
with me.
like Avery Madeline's birthday party.
Yeah, you guys have seen her before. So here are all of her kids. That one, that one, that one, and that one aren't my kids. Here's Izzy, Lily, Emma, Sadie, Nikki. That's Avery and Madeline.
And
Randomly name one.
this is Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
And this is Rose.
Rose. Okay.
So,
So you obviously know Reagan and Lily. I don't know where Lily is. We just got out of the river and I'm freezing cold. Like
Me
it's
too.
cold. It's cold. So
and guess who we brought?
yeah.
Madeline and Lily.
Yeah.
And they're in their mermaid bathing suits.
And we gotta change them.
Yeah, they're wet. They're
I got
really wet.
extra clothes actually. Oh god, I feel like I'm gonna fall. Okay, nope, that's dangerous.
So, anyways,
Ooh.
oh gosh, one of them just farted, and that was Nikki.
Nikki farted. I'm gonna change.
Nikki, come here. As you see, she is dressed in a sock. And
I'm gonna put this one on Madeline.
isn't her hair crazy?
I'm gonna put this on Madeline because I think it's cute.
Hey, Haley, say hi. Can you smile? Yeah.
I'm changing her.
Look at her head. It's bumpy. And
I tried not to get my hair wet, and then I got my hair wet, and now I'm mad.
that's cute.
She's a little Care Bear.
Yep. And these kids are asking us if we can go outside. And we're saying no, they'll get too dirty. And look how cozy Elizabeth is. And she likes to say that, I guess.
Here's Madeline. She's all changed. Cute. Now I gotta change my kid.
And Madeline's warm and cozy.
Yeah, she is. Okay, let's see.
I want to go to the outside. No. You're not going out to the outside, Madeline.
Out to the outside.
And this is where they want to go. Yeah. They're going to play out there. So, we're telling them no. And this one is creepy. Izzy.
And done. Here's Lily.
Let's see Lily. That's too big for her.
I know, but
And now
You want to go to the pool? Yeah. You can leave those here. So if you want to go.
we're going to go to the
wait,
pool.
we are? We already got changed.
Obviously, we're going to the pool.
Yeah, we can go to the pool. I'm gonna record it and Reagan's gonna get changed. And I'm not gonna record her changing because that's not okay.
And look at this. Two of the same dresses.
Oh, wait, who are we gonna take? I'm gonna take Lily swimming.
Yeah, I'm going to take Madeline.
Yeah. We're gonna go swimming.
Well, I think
I just farted.
I think Madeline wants to stay home, but I'm taking her anyways.
I just
I'm going to bring her bathing suit. Who wants to go to the pool? That can. What about Izzy? No, she doesn't want to go. What about Nikki?
Lily can't swim, but Izzy can.
Nikki,
No,
Do you want to go?
I'm good. Actually, no, wait. I want to go swimming. Wait, we can take your stroller.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can take her stroller. She has a stroller.
Okay. That's it for right now. We'll see you at the pool if Aubrey's dad lets her bring her phone. Bye.